Welcome back. Bruce Porter joins us now for this week's Dollars and Cents segment. Good to see you once again.
Good to be here.
Since the big book signing, that was fun.
Hey, that was a lot of fun. I think we had 60-some people come out and get acquainted with the staff. And I mean, it was a good time. And you know, the book seems to be, we're getting a lot of good response. So people are reading it, they're understanding it, and that's a great thing. That's what we designed that to do, is provide simple solutions in a complex world.
That's right.
A terrific self-help book that anyone can benefit from.
It is a good book.
Well,
you have another workshop coming up?
Yeah, we have this workshop coming up on the 19th, and Will spoke about it a little bit earlier, but I tell you what Will does in the workshop is he breaks things down, you know, because here's what we get. A lot of people say, you know what, I got my trust document here, or I've got my living will, or I've got, and you know, I've never read it. I don't know what it says. This is wills, right? And so all trust planning, all estate planning, you're going to have a bunch of documents like this.
Sure.
But really, do you understand how it works? Do you understand what the successor trustees are going to do? Do you understand how to distribute your blockbuster stock?
Yeah.
You know, all of that stuff.
I got some tips on that.
And I tell you what, just this one little thing right here, it's just a flow chart. The flow chart says, here's my stuff, here's who I want to handle it, and here's where I want it to go. And when you break it down and you put that in their document to where if they forget, all they got to do is pull that flow chart out and they can do a quick review and they actually understand it. Understanding what's going to happen, how you're protected, it's very, very, very important.
So this is kind of one of the things that you might show at one of your meetings. You might say, this is something that we would aim to put together so that everybody will know how that's supposed to go. There's your flow chart.
That's right. I don't want to spend thousands of dollars on planning and not know what I just bought.
Yeah.
I would rather have a kind of an idea about how it works, what's going to happen with my assets when it goes to my children, and you know, what are their rights and privileges, what can they do. If I have a bunch of IRA type money, what's going to happen? Who's going to pay taxes? What are they going to need to do to try to avoid that? And I mean, there's a lot of stuff to remember when you're doing estate planning. And remember, you worked your whole life for these assets. Now you just want to make sure that they're handled the way you want them handled.
And the way that you and Will have spoken about it, so often when you go to something like this, I've seen people walk out of them going, they're more confused than when they got in there. You guys break it down, you make it simple for people.
Well, number one, we stay on schedule, we stay within our time frame. Will literally speaks maybe 40 minutes, and you cannot cover every aspect of estate planning. And I have been to those workshops, and you walk out of there going, wow, my head is spinning, I got a headache, and that's not what we do. We tell you the basics, we ask questions, we let people relate to stories and experiences that we've had, and you know what? People walk out of there and they go, that's what I want to hear, that's what I want to do, how do I get started? And that's the purpose. We're trying to provide this service that just breaks it down to where people can actually do a plan that they understand.
You're not selling them a series of 25 books or anything like that.
No, I've got 24 more to write.
Do you? That's the only way it's going to happen, right?
Well, you'll feel so much better when you get it done, but when you look at this, because this is a copy of Will's trust.
That's right.
Everybody should have one of these. The problem is getting from where do I start to this? And I think what Will says that makes so much sense to me is that you don't have to come in with trunk loads of paperwork.
No.
All you have to do is know, here's where we're going to start, and get with that later. So
we had a couple show up this morning. They came in, they had a notepad and an ink pen, and they said, okay, where do we start?